Water is the essence of everything that we have in our lives. From our bodies to our atmosphere, to everything in our world. Just like we're trying to save our forests from deforestation, we need to save our submarine life from the breakdown of corals. And that's why we're very proud today to have teamed up with Azraq to plant our first Upfill artificial reef.
So I'm Daryl Owen, and I am the owner of Freestyle Divers, and I'm also the partnership and sponsorship senior manager for Azraq.
Upfill and Azraq have joined hands and committed to protect and conserve the marine environment of the UAE.
Azraq is an NGO. It's the only NGO that's dealing specifically with marine conservation in the UAE.
Every year, millions of tons of water are wasted in the production and transportation of cosmetics products. This is while millions of people around the world have no access to clean drinking water. When I read about these statistics, I knew that there was something that I had to do and something that I needed to do urgently. And that's why I launched Upfill. At Upfill, we focus on creating clean, eco-friendly, and natural products that are free from plastics, harmful chemicals, and most importantly, water.
When I first got to know the guys at Upfill, I thought, this is really interesting. We're about to do a project that's all about water, and the only thing these guys don't do is water.
My name's James Campbell, and I'm head of marine conservation at Freestyle Divers. So what we do is we go to Dibba Rock, the biggest national marine park in the UAE and the oldest. We find coral fragments, and what we do is we take these to the tables, almost like a nursery, okay, and we grow them. Once they're nice, big and strong enough, what we can actually do is transplant these down onto artificial reefs.
We're doing this project on behalf of our Upfiller community. And for every 1,000 tins that are sold from Upfill, we will be laying down 1 more meter of artificial reef in order to help grow and expand our marine life here in the UAE.
They've got amazing products that are really designed to try to help the whole sort of ecology, and it just rhymes very well with what we do at Azraq.
Today is the 50th anniversary of the founding of the UAE, and this is why we are extremely excited and proud to have planted our first artificial coral reef right here off the coast of the UAE. Not only that, our reef is also designed in the shape of the UAE.
We've sunk it today, and over the next months we're going to be recording what happens on this reef. We're going to be taking data, we're going to be making photographs and videos and looking at all of the different species that are arriving, and we're going to post all those onto a web page.
These corals are actually the ecosystem engineers. So we're building the artificial reefs, but then the corals actually construct the ecosystem themselves.
You absolutely don't need to be extreme to help us save the world. As we always say, every small sustainable step counts. We are better together, and we will work together to help save and conserve our environment.
This is really just a great example of Azraq working with an ecologically minded company to do something really good for our local waters.
Join our mission today. With Upfill, not only can you have incredible products for your hair, face and body, but also with every product that you buy, you'll be helping us to build the largest artificial reef right here on the coast of the UAE.